Pedro Bekayen amayaresa etimi ayedia sanso ene abusiafo a yentade shem yinsu no mu yedidi mu ye mame krafo asebi yeni eye tutu aka yensem no ose yemwa na ogbo ade nyakopon no de adoma chede na che no enti bepie ho japekrom kwa ade a serie ebehye yafunu ema the number and that screen so no fa na one ne twetwe komo enwo bi esefata se wo so de domo no papa so aye crowd obe ne sa ede anwa uwo papa anope etwa prise eda wase a ensa bebia wo bia yam fast de biom enwa eye Dorifa Vigo Plus for Dorifa Vigo Plus do one swa eno so wunye bi na umemene a sebie so sebie nyado se enemu yade ena etiti wo oba na sebio akeka kakra how wa himfi ho ma bebre ena sebio yadofo no ene edi ehie mu a bo nse sebi pampan bone ni adade no ha adwene basa bo nse emema no na watch break kakra na say your class no so eti nti oba na ompese wo class so ebeti se na be ya odofo ebekwaso atena won chen wa do abribia jebre na no Dorifa Vigo Plus ebido akagina mu esiesia himfi ho ama eho aye wese ede amawo available you know from circle shops around you heba shop be to room no ko na koje Dorifa Vigo Plus CB saso ena make house se be na sebi so sebi nyado misremo mema onimu a misreka saka crap muni ho yeni ho enti meka mwasama na mejibre na mapamacha wo se we be ma na ya na so tutufu be mem na eba ensa nketenkete abo ajapade no ho dompem na bo nse ro supporter sebi na ehoki kawa wonsuso no Dorifa Vigo Plus CB na emwa na bibia enye kama emfa emma bibia etedu bia no wonsa be ka biko na kwajode na no mame oh fine yes want to call drugstore be offer doctor numbers now that screen also 0244516592 now or say obey delivery ede amount maybe obia edwe ko me no we na pay one magibre eje musika asoma sne awa yedijumede ebrel yeah live on Facebook Koowaa TV GH live on YouTube Koowaa TV Samdakos initiative Samdakos TV so you should be live and to subscribe to your channel na like your page na comment na share na for so enye bi share me dey Diana edohene Jemfi kwate na kosia well and I don't pay latter part of the show to say ye no ye baby ahomatwofo no e dia tum e dia mamo na nkoma ye bi di no wo so atimi Edward Chaba via calling us on phone after no early stage of the program say ye no Ghana nkoma na ye betwetwe no requesting for the day no pay maybe so start dwendwe ho e je na tete e wo important na wo area ho no wo krom ho no e je na no pay how is it still about water? Is it still about light? Is it still about, lavatories, KVIP, toilets? And then how? Me pacha wada. What MP yene jumeyi? What sebi so? What unit committee or yene jumeyi? What assemblyman yene jumeyi? And then koso and what put them ho in general and no and I don't pay maybe sawa enchebiano maybe a home for na tum di amount ama also afre na what do I drink a day about. Yes, and at the end of the day, and within the week, a better I say, 7 years on Sabian, a MPP4, a vetting. Now, I think late last week, rather. Now, vetting now, one a year, Chama want to me, na or CB, na in Simbia or the 2 jar, what moon say, na and quay and farmer a year as my secretary. To be precise, chama to me a castle or one a kingdom e wo krom ha no na kokoso hene e wo ma one no e ho so ye pa yemfa nko yemfamra wo mo mehia etro krata e de Koowaa general secretary awda the New Patriotic Party amayeku kese no ano se wo mo ehia no e wo mehia fikesiem nemu no se wo ba eya onfa chema wontumi enka ho emra na eno so omo koye so omo anko so omo responde yes so omo responde ene da sorry ya press conference bi akoso na press conference no eko so no omo dia to just say sebe so sebe nya ato asanteman sikeja kese no womo ni MPP amanyuku kese no eni asembia nyemom no wonom ene chema wontumi wasem efise asem course no mo twen samanyuku kese we no enka mo di dwantoa ebeba nanso no omo hwani mu a dwanto bi entimi amba enti no tintontan womo dia betu dwase womo ne chema wontumi eni asembia enche bia no ye bekwa homa no so na ye ne opinion okasa wo eye press conference no asie akasa sese na omosomo ne chema wontumi eni asembia no sebe so sebe nyaato odi dwanto aba odi achopa ba wono besom anase womo ensom ana yebedi nkomo no enche bia ewo eye efidi so saso and his excellency former president of the Republic of Ghana wonyane baby ko his excellency Atamels yes abusuafo the autopsy report echo his excellency Adam Kwakufuado enim na komotwetwe mu ano na omuka se omukrom hono makonfi hono otimu se imponsudwuma ewo fom yi pa na his excellency Adam Kwakufuado ebema respond o kan ya ne se sebio na MP hono na MPP ni otimu se wo mu eto aba editia no ema ofree akonya no eso ene na absoma o se wanka no kra na obua wo yinani edi efree ho na akofo bisa se papa enti sebio krono eka Ghana ho enti se won wato aba MP na MPP ni edi efree ha eno che se NDC ni ene betna so ana PNC ni ne betna so eno che se eni kwan se impotunwa ekokro no so ana yemo video na yamra yebe to us stay with us
bia esi supi se chairman wuntumi MPP amanyokuo no Ashanti regional chairman kuo no nyane dia kuo na ye nyina na ye ka ye ho bo nkoto abade won besi akonwa no so enti ne wuntumi hu ne se oso chen asanteman ana oso chen sikadwa ye ntimi ne ntra asante se wuntumi hu ne se MPP amanyokuo no omo a ne omo a obi aka ontia omumfie kuo nko ne enso ye sikadwa na nsem a ye ken asem ni si January 3rd MPP mpanimfo ye transe dwene ho se eye dania adwene bi se bi obebo mutrim ama omo di gatoa abansa pra na ndia abayedumadi so omo atra ho a won kran na asem ya ewom ni se eye Henry Nanabuachi ono na eye MPP national organizer oya Asantini mapa Asantini de se kronkron dwumadie na se ne ye kooso ema kokoso hene nom gitunu sensem a wuntumi kan de ye ntia se ema no na nabi sa akogina kasafidie so kasafoni so edifende ne ye chama wuntumi ye no enti na ye kan sisudua sa asantefo na omuwom na omudi sikadwa ato nchen afa amanyosem ebi na nabi ye no enti ye ba yen ya santima mu ade a na kirese na nabi oye kwamitua na yi asantima ma ye ode patakun enwa ho adura ne ho ene wa betra enwambuo num no wo kire enwan no awie enti nne se ya behia ha ya semtiawa ye ne MPP ni asem ye ne chama wuntumi wa asem woka sikadwa waka santeman woka sikadwa waka santeman ye de ya de srede to aman hene abrempon sante hene edi krofo amuso akira abrempon mo so de besom yewura se chama wuntumi asem a wakan ye de ya de srede to manim so bia mane nsina hemfie eye sante hena hemfie ha a sikadwasie ye hia chama wuntumi wa ha ye nkase ye hia MPP fo wuntumi de ye ne to nkwanta ya pai sudua esi supi se chama wuntumi MPP amanyokuo no Ashanti regional chairman kuo no nyane dia kuo na ye nyina na ye ka ye ho bo nkoto abade won besi akonwa no so
na press conference a ekoso no na mabo video no ama wonsoro ho de eko ene de benyina na be kwa homa no so ye nsaka opanyina okasaye wo press conference no ase a ye ne betwetwe nkomo na ye bisa ne se for now na empanifo de abetu dwa say enya ade a wo mo ne MPP amanyukuo kese no ewasem nemu no wonom ene chema wotumi ena ewasem no se chema wotumi edi dwanto aba anase odi achew paba wonom besom anase wonom ensom yenya na yeden beba na ya start yenkomo twetwena no pe motivational mere as simple as ABC and say when say respect is a reciprocal so ubumia na mensomi bu ti mesem say de we bia no bebia wo bia no eya ka hu say ubebu nipa obenwo don ni diagro don ni tifi okunu wo yere wo girlfriend wo boyfriend. When you respect your boyfriend, you will respect you right back. If you respect your girlfriend, she's going to respect you right back. But if you don't respect her or you don't respect him, she or he will also not respect you. So I beg of you, say, Momodia say, oh mami mpa ubuna, ono so bebu, obemu sa we akra, na so sanya we di bu mano, ono so edibu ebema. Eya na esi on kra de, ye kasa ankora ho anyhow. Akwala mpo 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years. So when we kasa na one respect no what ya chane kasa no basa basa obo say no wasua na no so ye de opese o disrespect ntisia say na obo nipa ma me nko ahoma no so na me ne opinion na press conference course no o kasa ye no etwetwe nko me wan pa cha ma chia no pay
eji so obi ni aba
papa pa cha o mpo mo te say
me ba cho won pon e ti sen ya lo pe na me no mo mpa ibo me ho ye dindindi
ye da nya mi ase wow straightforward ma me sa wadaroma enra mi wo se my press conference bi na press conference na mo ye no mo de atudwa se sebie se nya ado mo ne eye MPP amanyoko kese no eni asem bia ne mo ne chama wontumi ene wasem because of ne kase bia okan ya ankoyi se owo ne kingdom e wasantime mu no we wan pacho ehusem etisen
ni aba me da wasi na machi awtifo anu pay se empa enra muna mo de mo ni mo nyambete adwumadi na chima eye kama se ni ye hwehwe no na asem me de enwa ni me enra ye bobo na poso kire mu ni na emse 3 January no na MPP mpanimfo ewo vetting aye vetting parliamentary aspirants na incumbent MPC ni na ewo aspa itina ye do agreement sia south so sia south so de ye na ponum ene council of elders chairman na kokubia kokoso hene ene mensia south constituency organizer friend Abubakar and afi chama tontom enti jumedi na se no Abuga ko se untumi abufu a kwanya na Abuga bi untumi fa so ne asem papa enti na so ma council of elders chairman e pa mo Abuga filosa untumi de o regional chairman yesu ni na program dance no si untumi nia ana se kakra waka no ayi enti o mpembi ma to kwa bi ni Abuga o mo ni atra we ni nton tiema untumi so bufu Abubakar no akama kokoso ne pamu Abuga free tabi aye ho tabre nan de yura na pulum de mu nyina kodata sana na kokudi akire mu enti Abuga ko ye no na abufu na shewu ntumi enti twaso kasa ya ma na kokudi ebisase na wanyene wadawa ye wona ne kukura ya maniko enti eje bibi wo no nya botre na ye ko bempe info efeshi ha ne kokudi ye council of elders chairman women share out chama tonton netiwi impugmedi ya yedi ni oye chairman for vetting committee national organizer ma MPP Henry na Nabwache na bika ho Ashanti regional MPP women organizer otego na mampoma
okay
TV one ya botre wona wu tumi kasa ne sha se ba to no die se ne bufu anase BBC no be kanagina uji utumfo ko be kanagina chiro so asem we yankana sante ene brempo biye ni enti emana na kokudi abufuzi na unzembe na okekana sana ema untumi twaso ene kwa di ono confirm sampa okase o kingdom but the kingdom no refer to NPP amanyuku na no chiro no say only he is in his own kingdom
okay
kase wo chichire kingdom bi wasante
all right
na NPP amanyuku ma ni amba ni na yiwuku ba kunwa then about or kingdom more identity or more kingdom needy. So in Ticasabia, you were to me a canoe, Ghana Hano. Didi or when another abuan and another and ready to try to shoot. You were something, and I see Kega. Oh, you know to make us on a yakane, it will be given to walk a bit. Something in a country near money. Young camera, any twin. Into you the transanti, no other war kingdom, and now see you were Canada, the deans I was already I said you. And that is the to me kingdom, me, na on come close to anywhere na na no meshia o meshia palace because ono wona die na ne die no so so ko chichire elsewhere in ni region mu kura na so something menu and you know I know ne ade ane Ashanti youth e ma ye press conference yesterday MPP Jubia ni ni ase ni MPP ko nyina na efro mu ntumi aya amaniku obi pa owoni Asante mantem wa yintu obi afi se onfiri MPP nda bi nyasa so our party no NDC akoso our party no problem na wuntumi kase bi o kan no until se nananom a se ne do munim no behwe aka se ne wie no yempese obeye bia bruni se onima nyansa chen obi e nti wo san de no ho be bata himfi se wa ba fam obesom
okay
dia sentia no
me ba pacho sese wo dia tu just say sabe so se bi anyado Muhiano, no, when the MPP Amanyuku kese ni asem na mune no wasem because from 3rd of January, that you know, course, neka mu try say, enka achopa bi ebeba na jwanto bi ebeba na jwanto na ntimi amano. Sese mira mi se bisa wo, odi jwanto aba mo besom ana mo nsom.
One biaya eje bufuma yebeka yedie. Assembly January 3rd.
Yeah.
And yet now say assembly featuring whom baby wo. And me show me more say na wo twintем die. Mpanimfo na wo dwedi na so bi kan yi mu adwuma. And so ye ya chopa ni bibia ankoso. Enu achi na national organizer wo NPP friend na na bi a grantee interview wo baby. Asemisa no mu na o kase. Ni na ko ku bia kure kan. Enye no kure enye se wuntumi ka se woni utumfo anobaba idi ana so be kana gina kita na kingdom no kura no when you sit our word no ho wow intina akoye se na bi akoye asante mai kwa mitwa we take politics na asante semko ba asem no ba ye no ye se on bi na on bi so interest no make any comment but asem no ni se hifia na nanom atu yensa dia free wuntumi ayasama no into what can be the NHS can be young one for politics overtake Asante Sem and the way to Kagame BBD and the Nadia woman and be woman was a minty. Yeah, that's not say cow dear Brian can be and Tina maybe a several time and my young yes, you ever responded to answer no more. They jump engineer and watch the money can be man. So the got to a baluka semitia, Ubiani to me in view.
Okay. Anyway, wadaroma meda wase papa pasa no penso wajibre na woni kuma TV atwetwe nkomo nyame nka na no ho
Martinez meda wase
all right anope yene eye opinion okasaye e press conference asenra se bieso se bianyado yadi nyina chema wonti mekasa okasaye e kaso owone kingdom e wo krom ha na nkoyi amfamana nanom no na eja yen ko twunko mo so no de ana wo mo de se chama wutumi e di dwanto aba why not wo mo de hyekonkon no o ma de nyina no wo mo ebesum enti yenhwe se chama wutumi e di achopa beko ana sesela no if he meant what he said say o ne kingdom nti no enesa ene beko ne dia ye ha ebehwe DBC pani kratofom about the story ye de ba besom ewo eye Koowaa television so 32 minutes after 6 a.m. mefa calls makumaku enum quickly mefa calls 5 makomako enum na mebisa se ede ene how ewo mpotem ho ka kire me na mpanifo enti na afi no yemfa in stories no and so you can give me a call 0202 6684 61 0202 6684 61 0202 6684 61 eje ena etiti ewo mpotem ho a wo eye nkanea eye su eye je how piano give me a call now and let's go. Mr. 5 now ma any one say me try so quick na Dr. E Morrison Ajineja Oye Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NDC Sanso and a miracle introduction and him say Baba coming who Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the MPP. They will come for us to discuss and then come and say ye former president when baby call at a Mel's, yes, His Excellency, and we see a Fokupim on Adam Kwakufado and name a Wolfikasim na Okupim El Hono, or the autopsy report and an echo Aquachin. I have a call on the line. Let me talk to this call line. Come. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Middle Pacho, what to say? Nyakopa don't Pacho, why didn't you crame? We didn't baby our frame if you are not pay.
A friend of mine, Mr. Free Life, Complainta Family, and First Life, and a hard gym no my father, yes, my fully mom,
oh, Miss Smith Pawasim be what it. Amy, I see me anymore. Yami shall be breeze over myself. Yami shall. Well, bye. What's waiting me for me 34 minutes after 6 a.m. You're live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, some darkos initiative, some darkos Stevenson. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Prophet, I want to say.
Mpacho yesi mu mpa bonti we prophet Martin Sebo si ya we power dan kwampacho na so e
Papa mpacho obade na daroma me ho ya no pe yenti wa no pe de na titi wo mpotem wo
me ma me ye kuma di premier ho teacher for na ofo no nsi da bia teacher for be na bia junso eja ona ne mofra no o ma yi enso no ti ye sire mpanimfo ona bu banito ona daya no BC on training the Mahadan Kwame B Premier Ho.
Okay.
Now teacher ni because I say man kwa na dos. At the end I say sanction you back with Echo Johnson, he no Johnson.
Okay.
After see a couple of so. Yes, MP. Any penny for say oh my boy, na umejumani. Bye bye.
So Papa, well also be to me a frame pay. Give me a call. Let's go. Put them home a day and it's about water, is about your roads, is about lights, media lights in ATT me doom so we can think it be a unit to chrome hano ATT me. We should them off na you doom kanya na ohometi mesre say sebi empanifo medunum kanya na munyi asuti na ye betu entade no yetimi ato egu because yenim say doom so be any ho so when you start like this na high adwene pa yi woti hwa na modum no momonka ye bia eno na ha me me area mete. I don't know what is worrying you where you are, but then give me a call 02026684 610202668461. Two more to go. Until me for two more calls na my Dr. E Morrison Akwaba na yabwera yenkomo no emu Brakweku America. Brakweku, good morning to you. Thanks for everything. Of course, Korea someone of course and I would got a group of companies. I know you are want to say thank you for your message. I have received it. Yes, God bless you so very much wherever that you are. I didn't want you to watch the show though, but since you're watching, good morning to you, my darling. Okay, also wait to me after 0202668461. Bibi, good morning. Your message is here. I'm going to read it for you. Kelly, yours is much received. I'll read it for you as well along the line. Of course, Ajamenfi, AJ, 37 Military Hospital and cry. My super sister from another mother, my darling. Good morning. How are you? You know the love is deep. So. Yes, good morning. Anope, Michelle, Papa, sister, senior business for Mugo, was and son of my mamma. I change, Kate, Yamisha, say, was so me moo. Yes, sir, and care, and yes, and Papa Yamisha, Ubatampa, Yamin Kang, baby, I will be. I think some me far call be. I love to come home. Okay, last caller about great. Hello, last caller, good morning.
Good morning.
Me don't patch on what to say.
Madam.
Yedanya me ase wadaroma why na me na ka say
That's what family if here.
Okay, if you wadaroma is that then exit you baby awo no
If I check the one is chicken. Na baby yesu the day at me. We were a sister so then you see na me is baby ya.
Okay. Okay, Steffi and Pacho, when him say empany 480, on be 200 more, a dear mom, oh baby, more beer, Yamen can't one pay. Alright, God bless you for calling 38 minutes after 6 a.m. Me quarter or so, Nanaya ne was your for iguano, piano, one ejibre. A share a common television. Yamin Shawana, Minim say, oh, ye, I Yamin come home. Every payment feel winning. Thank you for choosing us this morning. Well, my memory, now my Dr. Morrison, Akwaba, or Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NDC. Doctor, good morning.
Oh, very much good morning.
Dr. Vachompo, what to say? You look fabulous.
Thank you, and so do you.
If you to say,
if you boko,
yeah, Costa. I think I finished this is the second time.
This is the second.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
and can see me more fish up.
Yes. Last time I fish up.
Makaisa waba. Makaisa waba nti more fish up. What are your bow?
Yaba.
Sa pepe. What is the cost? So what in
Matthew
absolutely. And when you're bantam no, we don't be room quick. I know say me chichim komo na wavrim. You ra to me. Wakasa. Na in fact we mo say na no apakakra. Na no ne pa ye no ene nam so na no ensiso no aye press conference omo ye no. He said there will be peace so no. Omo to just say woman MPP amanyoko kese no any issue bia but rather no omo NHM want to me and what sem enti until say sebio obeba na odi achopa kese di aba no womo ehia no ewo ahimfi biem enti na obeka afasa sem
yo oyema medasi ni akwenya anopai maminchia yetiefo ane yahwefo ayajibre Ghana fana nyina yehwe anopai titru minchia atwemamponua NDC parliamentary candidate honorable Stephen Yabua. He's the obvious choice going into this 2024 general elections, and he's the person that I think the whole constituency is clamoring for. Tiano honorable Chiao Nakupon Oma Kwa Odiwum na Naminya Wadum 2024 on crown victorious. Mesambi Chia Nananyam Sohine Nataso one was Ajibre Anope Nti Michiano Kwansrom so Ohima Utumi Ensenzem you shall see him say Ekekako na wapia anisa. I've been following the developments with keen interest.
Okay.
And 1 week down the line, one would have expected, say, and obey the noble and answer the honorable thing.
Yeah.
By coming out to own up and then apologize.
Yeah.
To Manshia and to His Royal Majesty. Nanka, the Asumbi Abba. But the line, I think that the best he has come out to do is to come out and issue a denial. Say in some way, and I say in some way that one thing say one on the car, and just sanity, name a political detractors ni NDC4.
Okay.
And no a diaposi bonnet. You see, sir, press media release and as a press conference now crowd here and that in itself is an insult.
Okay.
To the intellect and to the honor of all of us. To me, we did the attempt because what can some nasa sem na beto abonti nasa uni kwa abefa so obe manage asem na the best thing he could have done is to shut up. Don't come out and be throwing jabs at people. Say a NDC4 for same way home bay.
You can send NDC4.
Was it the political detractors a NDC4 na twina no akosi bone no ono wan kasa.
But wan kasa sanka kokoso hine na ho so.
Exactly my point.
Okay.
Asema okaye no enya wo dem na okaye na obi a mfa ne se obi atwe obi a record odi aba bontin no aka se tape no krampo no nya me voice no wo so na say man kan sa ni mum bia the tape is doctored and this is public knowledge maybe how can I bontin na wudina kaye.
Yeah.
What you say? Ana na kokoso hini awo hobi. What you say? Nana Kuso, you know, one of the elders of the party. Everything. That is why he was there. That's why he was present.
Exactly.
What you say?
Yeah.
And the chief even had issues with you there. What you say? And so, you see, want to me no for far too long we son so san ya want to me. And they say we'll go wings. What did you go for to Mukumhan say? We're bullying go for Mukumhan say. Anytime Biana obey a friend say contrary to the law, no? Then he will run behind his party.
Okay. And
then you will have people who will come on air. Who will go on radio stations, who will come on television shows to defend him.
Okay.
And now no see who will be afraid of the
but
one will be afraid of the
Doctor Minchawano.
I said,
great. What do you? But Minchawano. Now, make statements. No, who can say, it looks like I say a political what? I say more NDC4 and I say Bishasi and or more person or more channel and the cookie. But maybe I say NDC4 one more person I say. Because as same way they can maintain the section I want to as sorry I can say me made me come with her na nipa what say baby I will head you know now me the question say onu na o pese you know o de ma no siboni na mo pese mo de mo di mo ana
want to be okase ye ndisi for ye won ho adaje sa o
e so was say mo na mo pese mo de mo di mo ana
me na me say want to be okase ye ndisi for ye won ho adaje sa o ye ni no time ye ni no time want to be okase like him there but he sees himself to be so special. I mean, what is so special about Untumi? He is nobody. Untumi is nobody. I am telling him here and there. Look, when you will be here, and who hear my NDC for say, you best say, I got Jenny and say, you better, you are someone who can, our goofuno, I think, yeah, coaching and Westiboni. The interest of the NDC party moving forward is how we are going to solve the problems that he and his Anado government and Akufo-Addo Bawumia government that we are thinking about how to solve those problems, how to get Ghanaians out of this mess that he and his government has created. Not him. Who does he think he is? That we NDC, a whole party, national party, we have time for him. Look, if he has goofed, he should do the honorable thing. Unko Mensia, Unko apologize to Mensia. In any case, was he won the kingdom? Look.
Okay, so one kingdom.
Oh yes, he said he has his own kingdom.
Yeah, he said I say
yes, his own kingdom. Here in Ghana, in the Ashanti region, or kingdom in the Ashanti kingdom. This guy, look, Alfama.
Papa.
That statement alone, so on the kingdom here in the Ashanti kingdom, no crampono.
if we were in any serious country, that guy should be standing trial by now. He should be standing trial.
Let's mention his name.
That guy should be standing trial by now.
Who is it? That guy?
Why mention his name? Who does it? You see, it's some of those. It's because of some of these things that he's become so pompous and arrogant. He thinks he's that important, but he's nobody. He's not important.
Please.
He's not important at all. Somebody who cannot even string two sentences together.
So please don't go there.
I will go there.
Please don't.
Look. Please allow me.
I'm allowing you, but I don't want to.
He's not that important.
Please.
What did I say? Intellectually,
every human being, it's important.
What did I say? Of course, every human being is important.
Yeah.
But he thinks he's more important than others.
Okay. That's how you see it.
It's not how I see it. Okay. That's how he projects himself.
Okay.
That's how he sees himself. But let's tell him. Let kind of credit him. So when you will be unbread once, he should come down. He should come down. He's nobody. But for politics, who would have known it? What has he even done for this country? How much tax has he paid to this nation? What has he done for this country to make him special? He and his Akunta mining have been raping this country in the name of Galamsey, destroying our forests, and in the process he has enriched himself. And now he say, who is he? A Galamsey kingpin like Aisha Huang. Today he's insulting the whole of this country. He has goodness me.
Easy.
Look.
Easy.
One to me, Yati statement free Ashanti youth no. Statement no. Say they don't need him at Malaysia.
Okay.
Again, Ombrabe Acho.
Yeah. And then maybe say Mira says no, they are chop about Umbesumana, almost Umbesum, why not?
Look, no, who say or your king. Because what's on the kingdom? Or in the kingdom, then is where your hand. If you have your own kingdom, then you are a king. And I don't know who made him king. Maybe he's a king of some gangsters, maybe he's a king of thieves.
Oh, please, maybe.
Or king of Galamsey, yes.
He never said that he's a king though, but no. Oh, please.
So be always match them.
Oh, they are your in his own. So maybe.
And I am condombo for him because in condombo right from day one, we've known it. Look, we've known who to me to be a blatant liar. Yes.
What has? What? I don't know what.
Oh, come on. Every word that comes up from his mouth is a lie.
Oh.
Has he ever been truthful in this country?
Oh, come on.
So maybe his kingdom is he's a king of liars, or maybe king of, I don't know, maybe beggars or something, or Galamsey. Yes, maybe.
Doctor, you're being harsh on Chamamonte.
Oh, me a harsh. Obi adi yenina any man.
Of course.
God so who the mention any to for more service o cassette ya mention. Cassette yenina. O my money na what cassette ya.
Yeah.
What I say, and when we want to call him to order, you say we are being harsh. It's about time we clip his wings, let him know his real size, just like Justice Atuba told the late what's his name, former General Secretary Sir John. Besides, have you not seen your real size?
Yeah.
What to me should be made to see his real size. He doesn't have any kingdom here in the Ashanti kingdom. The only king here
is his Royal Highness.
Is his Royal Majesty. Yes. And now say it to two. And he should apologize, an unqualified apology for that matter, to his Royal Majesty and by extension to all of us. Because today he is who he is because of this kingdom. The gold he has, that he claims he has, that he has not even paid taxes on.
Oh.
Hmm?
How would you know he paid taxes?
Let him bring his tax records.
Oh, but I know for sure that he paid taxes. I know he paid taxes.
The gold was now. You radio says the TV too say obi any gold chain no near you. And who taxes? You see, we are not a serious country. That's why I keep saying. Yeah, elsewhere in some jurisdictions, the revenue authorities would have been pursuing him to come and show the taxes that he's paid on those wealth that he's acquired. No, we're not serious. Ghana Revenue Authority, they are sleeping on it. You see? But what I'm saying is that if he thinks he's somebody, then it is this country that has made him who he is.
Okay.
And he has not done nothing. He has not done anything for this country. Rather, he has benefited largely from this country. And the least he can do is to show appreciation to the people of this country. The least we are expecting from him is to kowtow to Manshia. He should humble himself, render an unqualified apology to Manshia and to the people of Ghana. And then maybe, just maybe, we will accept the apology.
No, but when the apology comes, you can say maybe.
No, you see, it depends on the way apology is.
Okay, fine.
What I
understand.
I said, we are there now. Oh, what was my
okay, that's not a proper apology. Yeah.
Exactly. Oh, it depends on also already no kwampo waba aba just he doesn't say anything wrong with the way you know.
So what bet him say kingdom now.
Na because we onya no kwafo na obi sam say wo na. What can asem? Am asem na botabonti. What about the press conference? Immediately you came up with the press conference, you say become can be asa.
So o can say the o kan no. Enye say bi ase bi so say bi nya do onne Asante Sekeja no. Okay, the kingdom like o can say I have my own kingdom. That is me am here. Something of that sort that he was trying to say.
O say one can be asa. Nah, NDC for any political detractors.
And
yes,
and that's what I'm saying. Say.
Meanwhile, you have said it.
Yeah.
Be man enough and own up. What did I say? I think Omo will say he's a coward. Oh yes, he's a coward.
Do people have interest in Asemuyana? NDC for more interest in one now.
You've asked me this question just a
while ago.
And I told you, say, what to me is not that important.
Because
what is important, my what to me, somebody who cannot even string two sentences.
Because I've heard about 2 or 3 NDC people asking Asemura Chema want to me I can and as someone is so interested as someone I be say, you know, and that's why I'm asking you that, you know, are you guys happy that now part that something that's so I don't know.
How will this issue inure to the benefit of the NDC? I'm asking you. Maybe you always do the question, but I think permit me to also ask this question.
No problem, you are allowed.
Is it? How is this going to inure to the benefit of the NDC? It will not benefit us in any way. One no Nemrantism. According to Kakabism. One page on who you say there. Sabi will be crying or one crying and say cry or change two for. Oh, and I say, yeah, friend, say, I said, no, okay, no, Rabbit, my friend, I remember saying, and I was in my become Mancasana. Who the question is for say, and this for a human, I could see Bonina, Mancasa. I feel the one casa. I feel the one casa. Remember saying, Naira. Nana be so, Sabi, you could say, the auto Babon, and he said, you would not change us when it's no. What you mean call come as some crampo said you knew why he said one and a bean who judge and say who defend no. So it is about time Asantemayan we should I say a transit who say this new patriotic party no Ankasankasano 77 producer. You fast Santimon fast Santimayan.
Oh come on.
Fast Santimayan because what Santimayan
because when him say MPP is Ashanti region.
Come on, Santa Maya, baby.
Santa Maya, baby.
I don't know what Santa Maya.
When you say someone far as Santa Maya,
yes,
I would disagree with you because I know.
No, you tell me. They know what have they done for the They've been in power for almost 8 years now. What have they done?
Are you saying they've done nothing for Santa Maya?
You tell me.
There's no roads.
You tell me.
There's no interchange. There's no, you know. Interchange. You must start it. What I say. So I mean interchange. Oh, come on, doctor. Are you telling me you don't have any idea? Whatever it is, you're going to do it.
Huh? Is it?
Someone doing the same, someone doing the same. Definitely, when you're starting.
Ashanti region is about time, say,
okay.
About this new patriotic party.
All right.
Led by Akufo-Addo and his vice Boromia.
Don't say that.
You see,
I was very cool to hear that you say, yeah, but
I've always said these people, they don't say what they mean, they don't mean what they say to us. And I'm referring to the new patriotic party. Abofuka Asembo say, to whom much is given, much more is expected. Share the MPP, Ashanti Maya Ayama MPP. But for Ashanti Kingdom, there will be no MPP. That's a fact. And in return, no, what have they done for Ashanti Maya? That's a regional chairman. It means the kasa didn't go for them. Come hand say maybe because PM and share. No, na be so to me be different na. That is what person say. O party no here o chain. Kingdom no. Ashanti Maya, yema yeni na ho. Yema yeni na ho. Sebi yantu yaba ma NDC Ashanti region and as Ashanti Kingdom yantu yaba ma NDC. But the last time NDC was in power, the project said about Ashanti region, $298 million project, KJT project, KJT Central Market project. We committed $298 million to that project. MPP has been in power for almost 8 years now. Project ban on about Ashanti region and see ani boss mbosa.
Apart from KJT, I said when you come on baby.
What I say? One my country. $298 million na your committee. Sa project we say. Every year this Ashanti Maya munyam. But Ashanti Maya to na ba NDC. And I make can say, omo my country say for the past almost 8 years omo ba ban mu no. Project ban omo dey ba Ashanti region hanum see asom bosa. Omo my country. Afari, government hospital yi. And Mama na ka wura mu hɔ no. Oh, oyi ma wuti mi. After hospital no so here $180 million. $180 million. And you buy you know. Mama hospital no. Baby ija no. Wow, anaka. Aka wura mu hɔ. You see, so abai we say no. Oyi ma they've taken the Ashanti region for a ride for a very long time. Yeah, project na mo de mo fie fine mo de ni na project na mo de ko Chebi mo de ko Eastern region.
Oh, why are you saying Chebi? Because when a different ana at the Ghana home plan development so even so baby.
Have you been there recently?
I don't know Chebi.
Unim ho.
Yes.
And pardon, I would then I can excuse you.
I've heard it, but I don't know the frankly speaking, minimum.
Because
okay, Timasi. But I don't think so. Send your Chibiti.
How Nana Akufo-Addo, what transformed Chebi since he became president? Said the Westman Chebi facelift. What transformed the whole Chebi land, no? As compared to the Ashanti regional. We about asphalt a coin. Vichile coin na ya asphalt a thousand come. Ashanti region ya coin na to Japansam. Ashanti region ya coin na to Japansam. If you look at votes a free Ashanti region as compared to votes for a war, a free Chebi in support of MPP. You realize that?
Can we do everything politics like this?
Oh, me na me politics mom.
Are we supposed to, politicize? Yeah.
Me
I'm just asking.
Because I'm surprised you're asking me this question.
I have to ask him because it looks like saying.
No, the sitting president politicizes everything in this country. Okay. Everything is politics to Akufo-Addo and Dr. Boromia.
Dr. Boromia.
Oh. I keep on saying, sir, his biggest legacy is taxation and borrowing. That is what he's leaving behind to the people of Ghana. Taxes and borrowing.
Okay.
That is what he's done so far. So allow me. Okay. Oima, allow me. You see, when you look at the quantum of projects that have been done somewhere in the eastern region, as compared to what has been done here in the Ashanti region, you realize that they've taken Ashanti region for a ride. Okay. And then you say fine, project na muri amu ebi a yati. Now say there.
Musa be kasa iti.
Musa be di atemaka.
I know that.
So, and I know say MPP as a party, they are rallying behind him. There are people who go on radio and on TV to defend the indefensible. And on this set, I believe we are going to have people like that this morning who will be defending.
What are you talking about? Anyway, Dr. E. Morrison, Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NDC.
I thought you were going to allow me to.
For Missy. For Missy, no longer be a country. I'll cover. Now, oh, yeah. I didn't say that was definitely one. I was going to just make sure that.
Ashanti region. Yamu yen na ho. Yamu yen na ho. Sa party we agi atum ye dia so ye tiri say ye party ni party ni moye.
Okay.
Party ni moye me buy at least my mention just 2 projects are NDC when we empower ye di ba ma Asantuma ye di be sha Asantuma ni mo nyam.
All right.
And the cost and I say ebu na sum e ma Asantuma. And make us all make an interest project where ye buy na ye ko enfie wotwe mu aye wura yi no ye the project where aba sum Asantuma ni boy ye say near Fanton said, near your party, no, near you do a dog Santa Mine. Okay. What I say? And to whom to me, yeah, dear, ask me, was not for my infant woman, sir. As a pretty.
Piao, Dr. Onkwaso. Wakasa. Of course, 4 minutes after 7 a.m. couple of messages are about Mameka Bakumbi Emma. And then I will just, welcome Miracle Quincy and then proceed. This one is from Mante Danny Boys is watching live from Obuasi Mante Nikrodam on Facebook Live. Going on. Kelvin, I'm not going to read your message. I'm skipping to the next one because maybe I will turn data our day. So alright, this from Karim. She's watching live from senior brother Emmanuel Morrison. Okay, fine, that's great. Julius, as a president, are you heavy? Okay, no, I'm going to skip this one as well. Let me come. This is an SMS that came in. Do you say, Diane, good morning. Diane, good morning. How are you? I am fine. In fact, tell doctor that I like him so very much. Of course, Chairman Woon to me don't respect anything. He feels it's as money, so he can misbehave. Mensha should deal with him drastically. That is what I wish for him. Kelly says, good morning, Diane. Good morning, Kelly. You went on by saying that I am waiting for what the MPP guy will say about what Chairman Woon to me said. In fact, I am with all ears, open eyes, and everything. Fingers crossed to see what the MPP guy will say. Martin, I'm coming up with an exterior. We can end the country. One can say, Kelly paid your rubber boo if it is similar cover. Oh, hi, oh, you like rain? Oh, that's nice. And me and I'm saying, I think saying definitely only doctor on baby. To your mama me flying and I'm so cash. Me predicting and I've been me pay no. And now my then I'm saying doctor I didn't doctor. That's what we share name fair yeah and see everyone tell am say doctor
open talk and or that
doctor open and open
then one start
doctor is to what's a woman gentle oh hygiene I like your pay akwaba
yeah I'll be this year
Pia what's it majatum you can be a majatum you can be a me audition
open vacancy
on a more serious note, shed ye young papa Untumiaka. What would you say about it?
Untumiaka then.
Oh, Untumiaka Koso. What's in your waka? So when a kingdom, ama Mishatu Safreno, ama Sebi so Sebi Yato, Omodia Betuja and a press conference a course so ama Omabeka say, one any MPP, ama Yupuka Sino, in Yasim, no woman nature ma to me, and wasem say, and if you be you can say. So onye akwanya se wo se urabe bia anope mene opinion press conference no ekos no okasae atwetwe nkomo abra na wo medruye na wagya to visa ne se enti chema wons media chopper ba won besum ana osim why not wodi shi enti so dia chopper ba won besum eba ne se na chema wons me se bi so se bi nya do so timi bi na no ka se woni kingdom oyo hene ana
me that's dan my men share and you know my jebreshe omo Facebook nkwane na mani so because nkwane data to na enough
sir
timi to data na show Facebook na to say be pon eni so me da o masi na men chia me party mpanifo era kodua general secretary na chia no e bona ba na so nkwan wodi ma party no on say the way we see ahye na niam ntino the election ya eko wonchi dedibia wo aten say last election now be hu dede ne court nsem bebre but now no shone say se nipa kwa no omiti share the atoho say wo so contest for election we ya e bia no wesi no kwa say man contest to bia no e contest we hwe kwa year constituency bia nipa 6 nipa 5 nipa 4 baby kakra bi nipa 2 na ne nyina ye asumdua ohihye ama party no
okay
temi bona ba da bia me ka say mo ho ase me general secretary no say bi wani ay tie na chi a ne kwa akon no onguye ni ma sekra hibi biara aboa party na asumdua me bona ba so pa ewe na bi me chi no na me chi ada executives no regional executives me chi obi bia me constituency my chairman and me MP and I go and say why me kakumo constituency dan san kwafona o say omokoya press conference futu no mutugu Ghana for
enkrofo omoya press conference wa hifia na say what are you talking
the me can say futu no mutugu amanfoni asem we kan hwe edi etumi no omomo etimi kwa person of kase ye twa obi asu ye mane nwa ahemfie edi etumi na wo o menchia tumi be pa na sa ma mu ano e woni ma sa ma mefo no a o mo tisandra magate tom ne ma o ma sori abetena ha eye ne edi etumi pa no mo
nro kwakwantwi mi se bisa wo chema wo tumi e ka so woni kingdom no e kasa papa
chema wo tumi ka so woni kingdom a e yo mo mandate so mbeye no mbeye nana sabi so menhia obi na betre menhia ne oso ye dan obi na betre menhia ne oso ye woni se ne ekoso nyina no menhia bu ofu etia sa ankwara na omo ye sa ne ma no me kan kwara because omo so omo ye youth ye sa ne ma no sabi so obi anu ato ana obi anu atia menhia ye wo na abeko menhia ntokwa ma no menhia wo ho no ye himfono to nchan ya so mo ye himfono ye woni ndivu ho ye wa lawyers
of course
a lot of professional friends bodies individuals na wo ho even opensuo me bom mu asema no a wo te hunya so onye ni paketwa
exactly
woni ndie ni bibia mu na wo so obi anu aton etia no ana etia manhia wo na wo so obetena say press conference kore no ade asi wo manhia kore koshin ade amasa ma mu ano ene sa nyema na omo ye na otumfutogu Ghana fo ani no na po so obi anu ato manhia na se manhia wa sotwe bi manwa eye mu tototo fi wo mu na ba so betena resu ka je ekasa se de manhia na ekasa eye anim gwase kom de agum manhia to me be pa na mo e dey mandate na mo so mitim so betra friends e ko fafa ma e be dum for ma mo so sabio omudo omudi mo so ja ho e betra ha e be tai ade a e so meta achi me ma presidents e me bia enura kwadwobonsu ye bra pani kwadwobonsu yo ano ton etia manhia o ma mu e bi na betra be press conference pre kwadwobonsu so ma kwadwobonsu ma mi fia na so okay
me kai
e ma mu abia na betra press conference Ashanti youth na ye ro akwadwobonsu no atia manhia nti ye ka kire ne se ye ma ne sia himfie uhu bi zada manhia ene fe ye wo kwadwobonsu de na wo so on manhia ne ka bia no one ne kai eno da nchen ya ye ro dike ano tia manhia e ma wu na ko tra ma bu na ko bobo adom no ko fa adwumfo betan o ye press conference yewra odikana no tia manhia nti omran anase manisi manhia na so ka sa ne ma we nyina
na so make I
nti je make ko se nyina ne se sebe manhia ho no enye ba bia keke
I know
na se asemsia wo no wanya tumi akota akaka ne ope ache manhia wo so do mo ka nyina no nse mo ka nyina no pani mo ka die na che se mo je tumu se manhia na ka sa asem no
exactly
as manhia ka he sa mu nyina ya fro mo sa mu ana mo ti no so ya sa ya fro manhia to se bi manhia wo na beka manhia sa mama manhia mo mu si su da bai aw na beka manhia sa mama mo eni me bi o me enso so dan eyen kofo bia omo ton ba bi omo bo mu tim pon omo pese omo gu papa na ni mu ase no omo na
omo go enu ase che no
wotumi ani enu
ase you agree say che na wotumi ever want me ka say NDC fu bi na yesa no do you agree with that statement
che ma wotumi be di chairman from 2014 by 2016 che ma wotumi ekada bia se Ashanti region ha on a governor ewa wakada bia
aye for just jokes
wakada bia ne de ne se party ni mu
okay
emfa won ne dibre a wo e party ni mu he is the governor of the Ashanti region
okay
in the party we are regional minister party ni mu o she na se we are irrespective of position ukra
governor
asem we want to make a na asem de bia oka efre no ho me hu da say want to me a press conference bia na so bia na no tia manhia da anytime bia before so make no sem bia no osoro bo nu animu ase e ma manhia e chia manhia de ani die ne obu ase de ma manhia wacha ase it is anya adwombone sabisabio e wo birimu trimu a omo pese omo fa kwa bi so na woni asem tie pese gigira e ma woni asem a e ka nya nyema we na so mo ye because to be statistics ka na asem enya na asem wacha se e na iwra na bi be ka jo se ni me ko so no untumi anu ntia manhia da na sabi untumi anu atia manhia e kwa we na manhia be fa so ana e kwa we na o se manhia e fa so na manhia be fa so ana asi so manhia any authority se wo so otumi ne ope bia na momo tototo fi wa so akotena manhia egu manhia ni mu ase akoye press conference e kasa hye asem a manhia nka e hye
manhia no
me no kasai manhia invite sa ankofo no mo yes ari no sisi so machum dentia
all right
impose bibi krasia ye mo na mo se fata manhia wo chief of staff
I know
manhia wo mpelifo who manhia no etise Ghana what you say otumfo ewo ni bibia wo so oye wo bia na ani dwuma ode ahye nsa wo so edi ma no eti nyamu no amono na mabonte a mode yesi ya asem akotera radio so keka ne mo pe no ana se mo ye press com ka ne mo pe no ena menhia ebidi achi me dan me ka enese se sankofo wi menhia amro ma no ase amro o ma ase ana antwe o ma so a ombe ye niema ense fata e de gu menhia animu ase na so mi ka what ma say
me to say baba bi ase ni am pese mi bisa ho asama me dwene ho yi se bi so ansam me dia ba ne say I won't take it lightly. Say okay fine today be akwa ka sashantu nyina when I governor krana oh kingdom is it a good language?
Oh me Dan,
is it a good language?
Sa ensem we no enya semu a se bi ensemu e kan
the one okay
what I say obi kwa ti me kam otumfo na hwan me ye
kokoso na me say
sa de nyina na ye nyama e kwa no e boa ma manhia di no kwa no e sa akwa chiri mo
alright
what I say aha e de nyina no ya hoho a ade a ye de ma manhia na sa nsem wi a wo de hye untumia no say untumia kan oka e de evidence no mu kwa wo manhia for so mu fa evidence mra so two for sorry to me I
but he said it
and I make us answer me
Matthias say so the one
I fancy
idea Shama to me
and
all right
what I say and nasem if you ground I think that there was a time when I was in Manchia President Baho
okay
now I think 2020 after primaries.
Okay.
President Baya no introduce you. Your fellow say parliamentary candidate aspirants of moving in. What
so you recommend second source. Look
we invite you or one or the more extra or two for Marco. Only introduction or kind of jovial way. This wound to me. If you Nana Kraban or you have two for crowd or I can wound to me also a governor.
Okay.
Oh, and that
is how
this for oh, made me to me associate. And this is for Cajon. I almost to me.
Also,
any party for become one. Bibintino, a type papa. What I say, Miss Santino. Sisi we aba for kwa biso nyenka jam na save yourself anya won wasem say obi anu atia manhia this is not first time obi anu atia manhia na say hu bi da so obi anu atia manhia obi anu atia manhia enye obi na mo ka tia manhia say
mera say
adi say that
mera say enti enye
onim de o manhia nim de
okay
enim ni bi a also oye
great mate
me asema me ka me nka nyagwa
mate no what say I know
Sama mu ano ene ma me fo no mko da mko ti o machi ko ka wan se so mko
okay
o mu nyina ano ye da mo sa o hima na o so wen wan hwa hima na o ho no ni nyama hia ko
me da say
e che so ma yi o wan o ma
me da say miracle just radio communication team member for the PP of course Kelly I feel what the now so we train XCD mi okwe kwentwebeka minim say de waka no so akoma toyim ma okay all right no I'm coming to my next story that's why Maria so me ba my next story so Anopana you want to read better before
of course
read better and let's go I'll give you the opportunity
Kennedy say say
asema okaji one and then you say I'm showing to me
it is laughable. It is laughable. And this is UTV. So next joke. I will consider it as a joke.
Okay.
So the next joke. And this is laughable to me. The money master Kufuado ne bolo mi anka yo so wo yo mo ka sire.
Okay. So please let's do it nicely please. Let's do it nicely.
Good to me.
So you have better let's go.
And you see Oyima and pay me nua manual film. Sorry. Me wo
Siafim.
I mean who's what dream. What you say? Oh,
yes, we are going to Oka San one name.
Said here. Was he a seminar fan? Here. What describe Ashanti youth for this or sent to Tofi one Kwalanqua and a youth for me and no one. Why is obeying Tanashes near the that's the way we want to. You want but I gave him the leeway to say whatever he wanted to say.
No, Kasa.
What did I say?
Not all the time.
It is
in my absence.
Somebody describe Ashanti you for say nkwada totofiwa. You see, sa kasa no I am the bia me kafa MPP for no sa ahomaso kasa no ayo ewo mafa no. How could you describe the whole Ashanti youth as totofiwa nkwala?
Ashanti youth.
How could you describe them in that demeaning manner?
Okay, say one more. Let me correct it.
Now who made the press conference? Ashanti youth.
It's not all that.
You describe them in such unpalatable manner.
I say they are not from Mensa. What I say, and say a don't form man. A don't conference no way no. Why never cast on free Mensa? We can for free Mensa. Oh one kasa. They describe themselves as Ashanti youth. And I'm one chairman. I had the annual tea on money. I don't know defend on money. No one better now say kasa. I we describe what we say. We know we are kwala na edomu hima. We jam a man for jam we am. Sabi o ma me no ma no ma sabi o mo de agbaso obo o mo sisi ama mo boni amu mo bu ama mo na nkonye ni ntinu o mo so na ho ma tibot na dum na mo sa ko didi o mo hinatem na mo si dabi ya ma ne ntra so mo ye ma mo didi ya hinatem mo mo kwa press conference a ko di fo na o mo hinia wo so be sa say defend say bi o watem
pa bi o je de ngwase ne bro
what you say
bro
sa ahomaso ekasa no
ekasa mo se ahomaso
so what you say
okay, so
these are the same people who voted for you people to come into power. Please, I can't even for this. Young town, mamma, who will be in an atom. Young town, mamma, did in an atom. What do you know? One people before young town, mamma, did in an atom. One more press conference on we are in that is all. And I want to tell you. Say asabo kai say mensia asomo wo e ntro e kontompo mensia fe obia e kontompo na odi anopa we say
all right
what you say nsawo maso ne kontompo ka say ntro no wo munyai na moa amwa all right how could you describe mama for papa no mama for mama no say bi nkwa say bi brothers bi kwa mbo mu kwa omoni ndie no qualification ka bi kwa ebro ya na e tin na e die so
all right.
So what I said, that's a 1 year kwenya bet how say now did you want them say na me o ba nya na me say bi anko won so ba be defending me say obi a ntwa
all right but so, you know I was asking you say is it proper
am bro ya so say you defend ya hene ya ntra mo mutumi didi ya hene na tem won mo na wo so musa bet na wo so de mako sa be twi wo mu kuro say
all right
wo mo tutu papa so na wo ya it is
let's move on to our next story. Let's move on to our next story. Alright. Yanko share video Emma yeba next story no. Yeah, this was someone. Yeah, share asama former president William Baby ko atamel sebusia for ekupia na ado ho na omodi autopsy report kwa kwatwe no nkomo twetwe na mu omma papa ekufado ehun se empuntu nyuma enkoso ye ewa kumfi ho na amsimo so abonte be kan se o ehode nyame ni mu ni nenka MP wo ho no oye MPP ni na so no moto aba ni fi ho to wuye ni fi nyame ni mu ni na amsimo no so ni nikakra ede efi ho na akofo se papa ekufado se dia sense sebio Ghana kuni problem Ghana enti se obi anto abampo amfama wa enu chese se wanto abama wonkwade eni kwan se ubua kura na eno obi pie okupi mo love ema okupeki statement bisa ekacha hefo wo se wo kra se wo mu se mo anto aba mame na so minim se dako mitwa mo sa beto amame so people are just making a lot of analysis about senior yen papa kufuado no du baby a okeka na nsem no but in all no yen she video ni yen ba Why is he talking like this? So if I don't vote for you and I'm a Ghanaian, I just say, you know, I say we develop my area. And that means me also about my MPP and well, stay with us. We'll be back as watching the video.
My another response for the man or him and beside the Kosa. Say, or more developmental projects in our area and what a chima. Tia Mwaya. Nana do I the autopsy report to Hong Kong anymore. Tia report or the Maobo.
Atukujo. No, yeah, MP or the man be a minister, or a deputy minister. They need to say when you say a Namson, so also be shall say BB, Amamo, a Kufi. Uncle actually election for by a year in free hall. Then you now can't be like a crammy academy, Miss Me, Menica Crass of Films. Man can't cry, but there's also mobile material walker.
Yalla. My yet another response for the man or him and beside the Kosa. Say, or more developmental projects in our area and what a chima. Tia Mwaya. Nana do I the autopsy report to Hong Kong anymore. Tia report or the Maobo.
Atukujo. No, yeah, MP or the man be a minister, or a deputy minister. They need to say when you say a Namson, so also be shall say BB, Amamo, a Kufi. Uncle actually election for by a year in free hall. Then you now can't be like a crammy academy, Miss Me, Menica Crass of Films. Man can't cry, but there's also mobile material walker.
His Excellency, of course, President of the Republic of Ghana, and Etienne Kano, or see MP if you ho, and no Emma ni Nika cry Eddie if you ho. I was just not for me. What do you say about this, Doctor?
You know, simple. This is the president we voted for. The president we have.
Okay.
Already know, Ms. SMBC now okay can. As a film there, but the change we voted for because we ended the first time, we ended the second time, and then the third time. And so you realize that this is the kind of president who politicizes everything in this country. So area, okay, that's the area no. When so is way, Milusuya and the Munwe, Wamuhoina Munwe. Or making sure say, or best stifle in terms of development. Project BIM, our man and our waton. His Excellency, President Akufo-Addo. So Nimwa, to Abanamawa, you become president for the entire nation, not those who voted for you. And even when you are taking the oath of office, out of it says, you say that, oh, I will do right to all manner of persons.
Yeah.
All manner of persons. And that includes those who didn't vote for you.
Yeah.
And those who voted for you.
Yeah.
And so, on one man just say, the oath of office now will take you. So I know we try to Ghana for Wabusu. That's any serious jurisdiction. The president should be facing impeachment because the oath of office a man be president look upon or no idea to say wabuso wa fa anya adwuma aflawo ko aflawo somewhere last year and our man here to na so oh say president say e blocker yura John de Mari Mahama besi MIA e say eya ka wuram but masuku for no so SHS for no so enya baby ebi nya baby nkusua de
Okay.
Ebi so nya baby na so enti ka mesre ye man pani se koye ume bibi mbaye na o mebi na nkwara no nya de enya baby nkusua de na ebi so nya baby na asema kwam se fa kan Peace FM e ka se o asema aflawo hine kan osi a wonya botre ma ye ma na ne onu ankoye na de
Did he say that?
Oh, it is on record.
Okay.
What I say? Let us say, did you know where you're standing now? They say, a flower and Twabama, Kufuadu, and Twabama MPP, and Twabama Kufuadu Tino, and a project link with them. So, and is this how a president should behave? And in any case, the Sami Dibu Maya, and I can come to be Sabi, a bra, and this Wabamu. Na wo munya nsu papa nom no enka ye nkoye nsu wo horo ma wo mu because chebi NDC ntimi lu anwe ni aba wo chebi da NDC never won in chebi by the nsu eko horo mo because we saw say horo na ka Ghana ho what I say some politics ni ya 77 period sa enka keje cha project we ene aye ka be hwe wo asantima mu sabi enka they were John the Money Mahama emphasize project na emma Ashanti region because we all know say Ashanti region yan to abama NDC take ye do to abama wa 77 brothers and can afari project here and na aye ka be hwe ye wa afari ho here sabi wo mu so mu bia e dey mu animonyam ebe ma John the Money Mahama ntini wo mu so wo mi no a wo mana ka wura mu no exam project no enka NDC and say John the Money Mahama ko fa ma Ashanti mai mu ha but this we have a president who is so petty in his politics one to abama me if you na say why so you
after hospital na mo say some ko say amon mo say say some papa ko for administration aye no
na dey no mo ye no
omo nye ma ne fefe
dey ja no say dey tie no
no
oh yes
maybe it's been a while since I wonder
oh na we be me tie na dey bia wona me fa ba ho
let's go
wanna meet you one dey bia me na ma me ba
after hospital
yes na for them fa me ba ha see
okay
what I say enti say if it's about who votes for which political traditional sabi already no say earlier on me the cost of some projects we na $190 million and yes for a project we $291 million okay metia project and this Koowaa Central Market project that is the cost and I mean you can edit here say one country is a project beno ombedi akonya mfie ayeko mfie nwotwi omudi project beno omudi aba santima mu hanum sia esombo sa 291 million one country on it here what I say
okay
and so this president is petty this president of course we always said it say he's not a presidential material so he only wanted of course he only wanted to fulfill a childhood dream.
Oh, come on.
But I say, he's always wanted to be a president since childhood. And now he's gotten the chance to be president. And he's being president. That is all. Now, yes, sir. And can swear you there for mind for voter region from mountain. Now, my penny. Nina mwa buti jiwania will buy a bear one time. Yin so become a registration be actually woman. As president of the nation, father of the nation. Now at Orange say ya to woman for ewo framantem. Ukoya asia senge mumu twaba. Anything wanya ho hwe a wo hwe nso nem ebe mene mu se be mu da yo mo ni mu nyame a.
All right.
So on fa ma he okọ amre. Ta kwa amre for demonstrate here. Mini e oti e mini be be free there. So I just kwa amre for say oh ya kwan nyina ati chapansam. Efutro na eku ye. Enti you way brebe ye hu bi ntisa 2024 yan tuma people o se wa fa me hu ngba tuma NDC a mo tuma NDC mo tuma me so a emfa me hu de mbo en bia munye is this how a president should behave?
Okay.
So Ghana for we know we've made a mistake in President Akufo-Addo. We shouldn't repeat the mistake in Dr. Bawumia. Because a mistake now Bawumia should be the president in Libya and yes. Because he will be worse because he's an Akufo-Addo apprentice. Let's look at Akufo-Addo's track record. It is say na boss na say the master track record here apprentice na track record na be say Ghana for yemu ye ni na afedi afo ye amamo bon ni mpo atwa ne kontompo ni ahomaso Amamu no afere afro ye.
Okay.
Na president etimi ka se muda muntu aba mame etimi fi mu a ana mama example no ye di suo ko chebi no sata me chebi for mutu aba ma ya na ana chebi for mutu aba ma NDC pay. This is the party to belong to. That is why I belong to the NDC, because they say system and we free here na we to aba mame we to aba mame. You say na Ghana for one nation, one destiny. Na we Asantini, na we Koboni, and we Achimni, we Fantini. That is not in the NDC.
Okay.
Once we come to power, it makes sure that every part of the country, every corner of the country, and development there.
Okay.
Some to Abama NDC, one to Abama NDC.
My every 4 days, yes, I am moving.
Nana America.
I know that's a
of
course, but see,
and I have a catalog of examples.
Okay.
One was our sample voter with the same thing of what home. So I say, near panic, oh, you are Mampany, so just declare state of emergency, send a attention, Sasa, who declare state of emergency, and my attention course our area now, or my here. So, the international community crumble will be being that.
I don't want to see no.
State of emergency, I would declare I am cost to the nation anything. Was it that won't declare?
Right.
So what I say, and so I will hope as a film. I remember the kind of governance that is being meted out to the people of Ghana. It is pathetic. And it is unacceptable.
Thank you so very much. Of course, Miracle Country. Ejena Beka Ediafa Asema President Ekai Eho. It's in Twaba Manami Ghanaian. Putting when you can see Bami persons on the area.
I don't know.
Oh, me Pachokasa. Me de Mountain Wakasa. Wakasi we am confirmed course. 38 to us.
They did time. My mammy in Tiasa. Me am a the show. Me dick moma in Akoya.
Meaning.
And she say, will be a cassette man. Coming cranny first person was in there.
Okay.
Me cassette, yes, I don't know. But in yes, Nuntino, not dear any panel, and yeno. Or say, Fakwa Biswa, Shanoko.
Okay.
1 year Ashanti youth. Ashanti youth, no woman. What I say. Then you walk town now, got now so Ashanti youth. Now because I'm a promo Ashanti Mamma. What I say. It make a job say. Omono kwa mo. One in new one. Just here. Sandy women Coswa, we are not so not no the DB so no any man and say emphatic. On the city. Me pese me no 80 and say. Or sit another uncle for the presidential. You ram Mahama. No one yantu. Okay, one yantu. You ram Mahama poop. Most presidential material. I'm with the Onokra no. Nyamen chade. Ono anim ne ho no atwe ho nsem agu krata mu akache Ghana for say on dey wo you obi a wontime nwene entiki decision anu kwa mudi na chi sem person be president bi acha tia o say ne krata ono atwe yo o say na wono usua no what bicycle so ai ne ko hwe ase bicycle no kwa ase brake no na left and right esa pen brake kwa asa ka ho acha tia ai ne ko tom mena mu want me make a decision so I apply brake sorry left and answer right no and answer penny brake and no won't so want me take decision my basket ko hwe ase e mani pry ono no tro no wase design the power no ono so timi ye president mani ye to no point my president on ye a na nya kufuado how to what I say on there akwanya no nya yo na memfa so boni mo bia dem ne so bo bono I ready for the crime say you are mess. Ah, said your man and this for my hammer, mo yen ye mu a obroko ana ne mpom din nya na da bia na betra TV so man ye warm up. E che Ghana for say no ho ye. Ah, o di free mo. Ahobra say o de ba ya, obeji tumi no. Ah, Ghana for to abama me nua me mpem wa say to abama no. Ana nam so and this wura mu ambe be na obenya tai windi. Wa de to abama mahama. Wo kwa djuma. No a vice president. I will cry a lord in Mahama say me call you about a vice president. Or by fail you no a president. It didn't see one or two of a man. What I say? And no man so 2012. And the bay no yes say Ghana sika sem nyina e dey be president. For the Ghana Ekusi Arowa no dey be president. You know na no back can say you recommend form on be fa ko nyina you amesi ya kwa ka kire Ghana for wiase nyina say e da o man be ne kufu asese ba bia wa hye Ghana akodun de Ghana ya wie. Okay. Dia odie si ma pamba edwaso. Okay. Waye si a si ni ekosoro ababia o ndc for no mesa be gire wo gire si no so entitenten ye de enchen ne ye ani na nansa na mahama wo di sika ne a ton wo esi na sama ne dwigu form sika na president na wo pedinti sika said one spending in election year 2012 e di winning election what I say it is one mpono mo da so di nachi say ono ye presidential material de meto abama no mani bi Ghana so bi mu dia to the one now be catch the kufu ado nye presidential material wo on the last time catch dog say your opposition bi odura and say bi wan say o maka we say we say je na mo moka because we say na nsem pataw what I say because bi e mejawa me say no metimi aka ne mbebia because bi e mejawa me nya doctor me nya dem mbebia metimi aka but obi e mejawa o mejawa with your credentials what I say e je ko basa na say o ya agu hu fiza it was the last time you took over. I corrected him. I think you are ancestor walker because all can Nipana Mudinetino or no John Mahamano. Did you say that? The former president. May come back. Any fear boiling. Some confess and some back and some one. Not a moment. Yeah, come. Miss Adia Memperiment, Manubetia, Memper. Anya, the taxi in Trianaka. I brought you and one and Shemana Bonacuma. To be a machine the Amsa Gazetiana as an effort. Then, now come a papa say video ya share. Now can say free by any share because I baba no to one all my comment to video. Ghana will be any. Oh, any position.
But does it matter about
Kaba? Ni position at home. Any position. What take it's here abaya what is it? Any MPP as a political party. Share na can person video no etoaso na e bone ko hu ba bia wo starting say ba bi ko wie. Okay. What I say? Yeah. Me boa papa bi e won campaign. Na me channel kwa Professor Chumasi. Okay. Fancy half an of time constituency. Once a homo MP na anko bi nti mo. Na me catch on say. Say mo to aba mo bi a Muntoba mo bia waye potential minister. Okay. I would minister because we constituency nessa MP or minister asumdwe na atom. Okay. What you say? Because oko parliament wa ministers no mo no e better trade no mo yo. Okay. E better trade. It is all your minister who akonya wonya yonko minister ni mu adom esene MP a onye minister. Okay. Then make out just because I mean I'm MP a na me pe obi a person develop no ne constituency. It is I'm MP a na me pe BB every agric ministry. I didn't tell me go trade ho. What I say? When you say my constituency was an tell you no mukrom no me road minister mo 1 kilometer be a hono ma enye koyema. What I this ho mo ye idea wo nyina ye onu mu asem. What I say? So strategically no na president say me person ho no e develop until na me the minister head e ma say minister there e dey ana sa na ma we ye ni mu asem no o betimi atredi asi mu ho mo se mo mpe no na mo koto abati ya no. Okay. E dey say ma ye we nyina ma officer me kumu already fa na gran say ye raba so a na Dubai no nya na no madom e na obeye minister nke kumu no nkampem so we get enter house a kaba to go anya obetimi ne colleague minister ayo jojojo ama bia bia wono ye nbia otime ye bia wono so ye bia amana atimi conscience na yem koso enti mo se mo mpe no ana mo pamo no me ya because na me botaye ni mo ampe enti sa na tie dia mi mani we nipa what I say and o ntu unzo o ka disu dia so me kan okran sem just me disu.
But the problem one is say okay fine nti ye nipa na hwe won ma nti no kan say we bia wo
and this one say nipa mo de ba no won ti me pushi. Okay. Cha it you when you pan a more some pen.
All right.
Because president what you want.
Mati was saying, what trying to short time me say, what's very pushy. Because let's say Honorable Muntaka, for example, one minister I adore. Let's just say, oh no, what's me pushy. Sanity. And to say, we minister no wants me pushy. Definitely putting mama. That is it proper.
No, can't you know? You know.
No, this is not proper. It shouldn't be so.
Ghana, Tofio. What I say? Tofi. And Obiano, Etafel Mubi.
Okay.
Obi Etafel Mubi. Ghana no, you know. Said your mind will be announced which mean don't pay at any time piano. And now no finance Mr. Bebu Sango Tavache. And this voice will mudi at him. That canon pebia. Catch I say. Ghana no. Ye tax near the yet only didn't know say the bomb my brano.
Okay.
Ye didn't we are. Ye the most 60% as I try Ghana foka. Ghana abide my for. Yes, I did your mocha. It is got the edge, meaning I don't know as I call 40% na Akano. And I buy the Mbunto Jumani the Akabia or Hogano. And then to me, must say, a development across the country, maybe.
And they are doing
sanity.
All right. The time was some confirm the course. Yana phone is Kafra. Kafra.
Gafra. You want to mean development across conference bia e Ghana ha.
Okay.
Eti wo a e ya prapre.
Okay.
Wo ni behede no.
Eti no wonye bi. Eti wonye amrede.
Eti na president so di bo mo wonti na wodi minister ma mo no.
Okay.
Mo ko.
And we eti what ani dia definitely no.
Mo me adwuma.
Okay. Masiase. Tamashe ba for Williams and some people must actually stop that mind game. It is very, horrific statement that, chairman said. Kesley Oseke says good morning, Diane. So the MPP man wants to tell me that Kujibonsu and Uke goes against their sentiment kingdom. They were actually free. So want to me just the privilege to insult a sentiment. Well, so Kwekwechi, what want to me did is good to you.
But you message me comment on.
Matter comment ka
na message bi a Obama na comment on. Men can't try.
I have not realized the answer so much.
Oh, tia mensia also fan mudi.
All right. Hello, good morning.
Mensia nim de.
Okay.
So bi amoto mensia. Enye mo you for ata wa mo fa mo se mo ya wa youth.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Na yonko obi my messages no edoso obi online so hello good morning.
Morning Agana, good morning. Good morning. Chema abeja so nyina
omo jeso
your family keeps your secrecy.
Yeah,
because I feel inclined.
why can't go call day
Nyanyadum kan bokoro mu ana bokoro na ho che no catch a conclusion you rep conclusion shabi openi fi ayo ahene na ni se mo kekenya no we na ke so person bi fani ayi wontu me abda kwali ye ni we shabi said me na kwala wontu me 50 years we are retired my bafi wontu na bia wo ye no enye
edi no ye
good asanteman ehu isi eyi so papa no gba no so oyo this year akunya we fia egesi ko so ja ho no bo na ko na ho ban sa de wuntu ye no wa ye atia asanteman am bi ifina ebi aka ho no eyo kenye ko so be ja no kika se ana ndc for ye wo politics tonchen ana wa hin so tonchen ani and every politics now because asantime na now to food like I say massage me worry no too politics get in kasi na hina to I do see suda which is no
okay
when you say you go to I feel to me and you politics if you to me there e go order politics dey feel na you to about what you If you did your order, and you know my respect tradition kakra. I feel another association for Kokayano. Miss Renwa, and Papa retire idiot, and it was second of whether me Pamucho. Nanado can't India, I am a movie to the plaza. That's more career, and yet I can't do you. As to want to Obama into the class member. And I was the same thing. In the person says the Obama region and as a constituency of the Obama. And when you have a good block, what you can say, Sasa, and then come to say, voter region that can develop in Bianco, MPP type, and Oko Ada region that is for me, is MPP for me, Mr. On proactive. So, person politician, only Majumi Prakra, Mr. said Mr. I'm a Gamanian in Mobile.
Namisha, but I said it also be to me after 0202668461. And then we are cooking channel also. Alright then. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hey, Fatima.
All the way from Nima.
Nima,
what to say?
Namiado style. Now, so
the market need no bar where I than already came.
Yes, that's it. It's one of it.
And the 100 program is fine. Then people for the idea in your one will be defended. Each of the ministers to say, oh, finally, we need no defended. We got one that kind of color, we don't know who defending. People for the idea in your papa and one will be defended. Come on, we defending as the day. You tell what idea yet, you better come on from Asia. I'm not talking about it. You don't sound much pressure. Well, what if you say from you, and they know. You said you for every year is 100%. You are doing the money from the car, no one will put to us, and I'm a boy. Then the deal will put to India. They do not know about the premises. They do not know to the court. Because I didn't know where you say it. But I just say the million pounds. Simple, not something like that. We should defend it. Then I will be a collar. And not but now that I know you haven't any side that some member will make out by some that. Anyway.
Fatilano, I can see, of course, also be to my friend 0202668461. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. All right, you too, I don't pay.
I don't think I can make it Nanado, the deal of Kobiano, and a man of Banana. I got that woman now, what the year, Nanado, when I got with them. And this is now when you're not moving, you know, and it's not when you're the start of the TV. Now, Obi, I'm going to start to get yourself at when you say, I can't have a pop and you want to say, in fact, they will give Ghana. Why? Start to me now when it's out. What you would be what I was would be there with your theater. And the way you need when you go for it. Why? Papa, when you are and cut out. When you are to buy it is not a moment in the house. I'm not coming to MBC.
So, let us so I can't in last call and sorry. Okay, baby. Sorry to say this. Some of your colleagues don't actually know how to talk, so leave them to make mistakes in the wrong. Well, that's fine. Even on the way they are back. Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
Hey, oh, soon, my friend. I want to say.
What Roma, Yanko Pandom, no,
you watch it, bro. You watch it.
What Roma,
Grandma 21 of it.
We don't have my Diana, and a penny chair or bigger for our Mutuina. Only now one.
Yeah, that's it. Sorry.
My chair, I shall be quiet. My chair is a quite good, but quite common. Because it's trouble. Also, me. Dan. What? Mr. MPP4, no Master MDC4. can summon on the body, do the woman. No friend before they do the beer. Said they are not coming. Or maybe be no ya. But you are tearful too.
Okay.
Because my time of war. When tearful too. Small time I ever election or team for us. And so many busy 44 so yatu before to show before government to show MPP to show before that. Small time I ever election no but team for us na olusu election. Some people for the call a big dream to na or member the call for my out to me for me. On the opening hotel will get in the moon. So my own to me as in the anno the cancer. Me so do one answer no my question. I don't think I won't you to na I won't ask you for. Not fair, what the moment na breaking 8 in one room to me. Government here for true. One room to say no one accident. As we know, we are the winner. What is the home? You be fair, Cosma, element here to down from your
3 good minutes. Me ko kwenchi yeko.
Na na yeko.
Yeko. Yes sir, we because we cannot time we me fiso. Ya ma warning.
Ma mentia Joseph Tayi.
Okay.
Awo Ofurukom constituency. Oba or contest me. Or number 3. Alright. Mesre, obo no mwode. Me any person manage no ho. O party obi a ope party building no ho ehwase me hia. From the grassroots no. Me pe wase mbaba.
Okay.
Is answer no na be boa ma party na ho den de.
Ejina.
Emode ma wa bo Ofurukom constituency. Enya na keto. Me no ka say. Onu abotom sika 300,000 to 2 billion. No, they are ma agreed for more soft loan.
Okay.
No interest free.
That's nice.
Ah, they work on
that.
What build the party?
I
Mestre say Ofurukom omonto amama no. Na so woni pa we onya MP kura no. Na ma we be no be MP dia. E dey na obey dia support mo. What I say Mestre Ofurukom constituency say. They right here. Joseph the TJ TP project.
Thank you. Thank you. Doctor Mbachayeko.
Etiefo. Musempa. Amabu no si nyina na yetim. Se ekoyie se nkoyie. Nyina yenim. Se yede nya atwombeto nchen na ya kanokra kire ye ho a. Nyina agitum se amamu no de enkoyie na age wo mu nsam. Na ukoka so a na yesa atwa mpoa na yedi watem kama abuso. Sebi enema isi akra mpo na yomudi aduru ho na me no mienu de ene ombo horo ye sesa pɔ no abra ye ne obi obeka bia baye adunti going forward no Ghana for yentu ye hofo na ye hunu ze sa agrofo ye de tumi hye wo munsam no o ma fa tumi na ma ye hwe de mo tumi no mo sa de be ye de mo sa de betete ye fa ahodie so o de be didi ye hemfo ente atem na ye sabet na radio ni TV so defend and so going forward no Ghana for abato no e be do so in December na you making sure say you better ya ba ma ho Brazilian no kwa for John Dramani Mahama or the no Ukrainian edumaden ba ba sum 24-hour economy and never saba Ghana Maya fa to papa efra Ghana acid that them na mabunu ba be nya adwuma ye na sika e be ba kurom ama obia anya ne fa
yeah, that was it. Of course, Mira Kennedy Kwekwenchi, Associate Regional Communication Team Member for the MPP, of course, Dr. A. Morrison, Ashanti Regional Communication Team Member for DNDC, and then my production crew for this morning, Executive Producer for the show, Rassam Darkus, my producer, Adorable Eva, Jake, Sasso, and I'm a director, say Kobe, famous, and Ima, and then you have Faisal. Omo ene bomechidom ewo MCR asdam koma odefo ewinfo ba something kwekwewa saso ena dori for Vigo platform so no yeweda omo ase midini Diane ebo 1 pm e hia me okuma ase 104.1 me kuma ase kwa so jumedin so ebe ba besmo. Have a good day, see you tomorrow, bye.
Mr. Beyario, it's my emergency. You call drugstore and I'm a draft. Oh, how to make a food Dori Fabigo Plus amount. Self-J Wonoma, a boost to immune system. Make sure say come with Janoshi, the canoe serious one, a kuti iron getting kitty be a fully pedrian. Sada na make no complaint said, Hunam Ninaja Neja. Na me man or Dori Fabigo Plus no, a boost to immune system. Make sure say a can in Mojanoshi, ama and Nemu Edna Brand. Hey, sir, Dori Fabigo Plus, and you follow me. Who called your motor Jobia? We are Dori Fabigo Plus. Hey, Dori Fabigo Plus. It is our heart capsules.
It's in a yada, the catcher will say, oh, now who say Omodo, and now what I am ra. Na a trace immune system no annoyingly. A banasa, oh, yeah, a drobit is a Dori Fabigo Plus. Na it new boost immune system no. We trace a better Umujana no she. Let me up to your real crown crew biara. I will be a marine fee. So, Busumi de kind of Fredria, won't mean Onkani Asia. Oba, Kaisa Ubeyisu panty liner. Now, what to me the new and no ma ever snackle. Nina Bema, Kaimu say, Busumi back walking to and not from. It is a winter year, no PBB at the above by.
Dori Fabigo Plus, and Yama open for an abofra winya and fear domin.
Abba, I need you some new. Would you for Bakupa, a radia, you know, my